Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a video marketing plan with Vidyard detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by defining your video marketing goals. Identify what you want to achieve with your video content. Consider objectives such as increasing brand awareness, generating leads, or boosting sales. Once your goals are clear, analyze your target audience. Research demographics, interests, and pain points. Understanding your audience will help tailor your videos to their needs. Next, choose the types of videos you want to create. Options include product demos, customer testimonials, educational content, or brand storytelling. Determine the key messages you want to convey in each video. These messages should align with your overall marketing goals and audience interests. After that, outline a video production schedule. Decide how often you want to release new videos and set deadlines for each stage of production. Consider using Vidyard to streamline your video creation process. Familiarize yourself with Vidyard's features, such as video hosting, analytics, and engagement tools. Use the platform to create, edit, and distribute your videos efficiently. Next, plan your video promotion strategy. Think about where you will share your videos, such as social media, email campaigns, or your website. Ensure your content reaches your target audience effectively. Incorporate SEO best practices in your video descriptions. Use relevant keywords to make your videos more discoverable. Track performance using Vidyard's analytics dashboard. Monitor metrics such as views, engagement rates, and conversion rates. Adjust your strategy based on this data to optimize future video content. Finally, gather feedback from your audience. Use polls or surveys to understand what they like and what can be improved. This feedback will be invaluable for refining your video marketing plan. By following these steps, you can create a comprehensive video marketing plan with Vidyard. Stay consistent and flexible to adapt to changing trends and audience preferences. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.